Okay, so we have a question which says a car traveled at 45 kilometers per hour is brought to rest with a uniform retardation in 15 seconds. Find the retardation. Now, I'll just take you back to the previous one that says, I think I don't need this. So I'll take you back to acceleration from the first equation of motion. It says that A is equal to V minus U over T. That means the initial velocity minus V, initial velocity equal to, acceleration is equal to final velocity minus the initial velocity over T. Now, in terms of deceleration, which I'm just going to represent with D, is going to be U minus V over T. So it's just the reverse. So deceleration is actually a reduction in what? In the speed. That is, it is also called deceleration when a speed or a body is approaching what? Rest. Now, when a body is approaching rest, the V is equal to what? 0. So that's a fact that we also need to remember from our first lesson. Now we are asked to find the deceleration in this case. So we have all our parameters. Now let's see what the U is. The initial velocity is 45 kilometers per hour. Now in physics, we do not use kilometer per hour, we use meter per second. So we have to convert this to meter per second. So that gives us 45. 1,000 meter makes 1 kilometer. So that's why we multiply it by 1,000, then over R. The R, 60 seconds make 1 minute and 60 minutes make 1 hour. So if we do that, we're going to get 12.5 meter per second. So that's what we get as our initial velocity. So we can then fix this into the formula and make use of this formula. So we said the U is equal to V, we said D is equal to U minus V. So let's see if we have the value of our U. The value of our U is 12.5. So minus 0, so over. Then the time it takes is 15 seconds. So we're having 12.5 over 15. And if we use our calculator, which I'm going to quickly do, 12.5 divide 15 is going to give us 0. It's going to give us a rational number, 0.83 meter per second square. So that is it. So when a body starts from rest, we say the initial velocity is 0. So in this case, the body never started from rest. It started at its velocity of 45 kilometers per hour. And the body was approaching rest, which means that the final velocity is going to be equal to 0. So to calculate the deceleration, you just flip it and say U minus V over T. Meet you some other lessons. Thank you.